How are you? Okay. Today we will be talking about wiring of domestic installation. So in the wiring of domestic installation is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. Number 1, we have what we call it tubing. Number 2, we have what we call it wiring. Number 3, we have what we call it connection. Number 4 is inspection and testing. So there are those 4 parts of the wiring of domestic installation. So today we'll be talking about installation of a wireways. So what is a wireway? What is a wireway? It's a tube that is designed to protect the cables or the conductors against the dust or then rain. But importantly is to protect conductors against you, human, and any mass. So it means those wireways are designed to protect the conductors. So we have got 2 types of wireways. So we have the steel conductor, steel conduit, and the PVC. So today we're talking about the PVC conduit only. We will leave the metal conduit. So in PVC conduit, we have 2 types where we have the flexible conduit and the solid one. So what do you call this conduit? Flexible conduit. What is a flexible conduit?
It's a conduit that can bend in order to make a shape.
That can be bent to one side. That can be bent to do a shape. That can be bent without breaking. Ziamburi, conductors yashwei, riakonoi benda yasafundeye. This is going to show that zone. Okay, the application of it, where do you use it? This one flexible conduit. Where do you use it? Geysers, stoves, air conditioner, day-night switch is where we use the flexible conduit. We have got 3 types of PVC conduit. We have what we call it lay-in, feed-through, wiring through. I have got 2 types here. Which one is lay-in and which one is a feed-through? Lay-in, feed-through. So this one is a lay-in, this one is a feed-through. Installation of a wireway, we need some components so that when we are installing a wireway, we can finish all the job correctly. So we have got several components here, or several components. Number 1, we have this one. What do you call this one? 2-way junction box. What about this one? It's a 3-way junction. What about this one? Round box or looping box. So we have this one. What do we call this one? Coupling. Is the coupling this one? It's an adapter. We have got 2 types of adapters. We have the male and the female. So, which one is the male and which one is the female? The right one is the male, and this one is the female. So we have another component which we call it, what do you call this one? Coupling. What is the purpose of the function of this coupling? It's join two pipes. We have what we call this box. 4x4 extension box. What is the purpose of this 4x4 extension box? Hey, Cathedral. Oh, it's to hold socket outlet. It's where socket outlet is mounted. So we have what about this one? 2x4 extension box. Where do we use this one? For what? For switches. So then we have another one, what do we call this one? Saddles. The steel or the plastic one? Steel saddle. What is the purpose of the function of the steel saddle? To do what? To hold position the pipe not to have movement. So that's what about this component? Compression length. We have got two types of length. We have the compression one, which we used with the PVC columns. Then we have what we call it, the steel one. The steel one we use where? Or when we connect the cable with the distribution board or with the meter box, we use steel clamp. So we have this big box. What do you call this big box? Distribution board. Where do we use the distribution board? At our homes. Industrial. Workplaces. Schools. We call it commercials. So, what is the function of the purpose of the distribution board? Is to protect the circuit breakers inside. Number two, is to distribute electricity to the several circuits. So, that is the function of the distribution board. So now we come to the end of this lesson. So tomorrow we will deal with the testing and inspection. You know that before the electricity is switched on by the municipality or by the ESCOM, then the accredited person must come and issue a paper which we call it COC. What does COC stand for? Certificate of Compliance. It means before electricity is switched on, then the guy who we call it accredited person must come and do inspection and testing. After that, then the ESCOM and the municipality will come and switch on the supply. Now we come to the end of this session. Thank you.